trigger, just a tool. Heart's the master, calm and cool. Deep within, beyond the lungs' disguise, the soul whispers where the heart resides. Feel the pulse, deeper than the mind. Heart's the guide, leave thoughts behind. Hidden truths the intellect will find. Through the heart, the soul's aligned. The surface glows, the center's dark. Mind misleads, heart leaves a mark. Not just the muscle, it's the sacred spark. Follow its rhythm, ignite the arc. Lungs may breathe, but they don't feel. The heart's knowing is deep and real. Mind misunderstands, trapped in the wheel. Break free, let the heart reveal. Close your eyes, let the silence speak. Feel the heart, it's wisdom unique. Mind's a shadow, shallow and weak. The heart's path is where you seek.